Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I aim with this channel to help you go from being a total beginner as a painter up to intermediate level. So by the time you've gone through all the processes that I help you with, you should be able to confidently start any painting. I believe that process is extremely important because it kind of takes the weight out of starting a painting, because if you don't have a process and it's new to you every time you start a painting, that mitigates against you painting. And I believe that you should paint small, paint oils, and paint often. Paint small because you'll get it done more quickly and you can do one every day. Paint oils because I believe it's the easiest of all the media. It's the most forgiving because if you make a mistake you can always wipe that mistake away. And paint often because that way you'll internalize the process. I've worked as an illustrator and artist for many years. I've done work for the Wall Street Journal, the London Times, just many newspapers and magazines throughout the world. I hold in-person classes in Harold's Cross in Dublin. I have done for many years. So if you are looking for an in-person class, go to my website, McSherryStudio.com. There's a link in the description anyway. Look out for my Zoom remote classes as well. So on my website, there's a link to where you can actually join a Zoom class. So it's live and I'll show you how to paint live and then answer any questions at the end of the session. It'll be great to have you along as a live stream companion or even in the Zoom classes. It's great to paint together. I hope to make it an enjoyable process and I'd love to see you along. So please do subscribe and look out for my videos. Bye.